Hello everybody, we are now talk about our AngularJS. So what is AngularJS? Okay, now I will teach about you AngularJS a little bit. Okay, so the AngularJS is the framework, is the open source framework. Okay, developed by Google and till now maintained by the Google. So okay, this is used to create the front end web applications. Okay, it is used to bind HTML with the JavaScript actually. Okay, so AngularJS is very easily we can easily create and we can easily learn easily actually. First we will how to download the AngularJS and how to create the little program. Okay, now we will see this now. Okay, now I am going to browser. I am opening the browser. Okay, fine. Here I am writing angularjs.org. We can easily, this is simple. Okay, just download their JavaScript file and we can start the work actually. Fine. Here there are two downloads. This is a new one. This is a little old actually. Just I am clicking this one. Here you can see the window. Okay, this is the bolt, CDN, bower and npm. Okay, in the bolt, okay, there are minified and uncompressed. Okay, there are two versions. Okay, one is minified. Okay, minified angular.min.js, uncompressed is only angular.js. What is the difference? In the uncompressed is the development actually. Minified is the compressed one actually. This is the production side. Okay, fine. We will see that. We'll see this how to create this. We can download through the npm. Okay, through the command prompt actually. Just npm you can do this through the command prompt. Just now I'm clicking the download. I am creating our okay, it will show here. Okay, angular.min.js. Now I am downloading now. Okay, save us. Just I already downloaded. If you want to download, just click. Okay, this will download. Okay, the angular.min.js in the same folder. Okay, now I will open my first.angular. Okay, just I open it here. Okay, with the notepad. How I created small AngularJS program. Just include this angular.min.js in your script file and just declare this ng app. ng app and ng model is the directive. Okay, there are more directives in the AngularJS. This is the pillar of the AngularJS actually. So okay, so each directives doing is particular action, particular activity. So okay, we will see about this in the next our video. Okay, now I am created this here inside the body. Okay, just employee name, input type is equal to text, ng model is equal to name. So now I am in the ng model. I am assigning my name, any name you can put it actually. Okay, ng model. So whatever you are giving in input, okay, the ng model take it as a input. Okay, when in assigning into this name actually. After that, through the two curly braces, if you declare this two curly braces with your name, okay, it is the output statement. Okay, so we can see the whatever in the input control, you can see it in this two curly bracket with the name declaration is the output for us actually. So now I already saved. Okay, just I will run this how it is working. Okay, I am double clicking this one. Okay, in the first name I am putting my name is Jaleel Ahmed. Okay, so my Jaleel Ahmed, whatever I am entering in this input tag, okay, I am getting the display in the ASIA output. Okay, fine. In the next class we will see the another one video. So fine.